Matters with Yan again. And if you are new in this channel and you just stumbled by, please do subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and hit like in this video. This vlog is about unboxing my orders from Amazon that I just bought recently, and I am so glad that Amazon Germany is, connected to my Amazon USA, so I don't need to order the Amazon USA and then send the items here in the Czech Republic, which is like a bustle hassle for me, because first the distance is far, and I have to pay extra VAT on that, valued added tax. So I'm so glad Amazon Germany is here, and the distance is not far. It's just like, seems like it's just there in my neighbor. So yeah, there are still some items that need to be paid out under the valued added tax. That's why I still have to be careful to make sure that the seller are around the European Union. Otherwise, I have to pay extra tax for that and fill the custom tax. The European Union just passed their law that any European orders and items outside the EU territory has to pay valued added tax or the custom tax. For example, this book, I think I bought this for $8, $9, something like that. If this box from, let's say, outside the European Union, let's say the UK just withdrawn their membership to be part of the European Union. So now every orders from the UK, depending on the category of the cost, let's say for example this is £200. The money in the UK is pounds, so let's say £200 from the UK to here in the Czech Republic, I have to pay extra custom tax for that, or the valued added tax, because it's not under the subsidy between the EU members, which it included the tax. So, unlike if you ordered it to between a European Union member state, there is no tax for that. Alright, so that's the advantage of being part of the member state of the EU. But aside for the advantage, you also have any other disadvantage. That's why one of the reasons why the UK left, because of such these things. I love European law, the European Union's law. It's vast discussions. It's a complex, I'm gonna say that. I'm gonna warn you in advance. It is a complex study, but the more you get there to the point, is the more I love to learn. Yeah, if you understand the situation of the valued added tax when you ordered some items, and then all of a sudden you're gonna be shocked because why do I have to pay extra for this? I already paid the item. Actually, the value itself of the items is cheaper than the tax. I want you guys to be vigilant when you are buying an items to e-commerce, in the e-shop, through online. Don't be deceived by the price because it's cheaper, and then without knowing that this item has to come from outside your country, that has this category that need to be cleared up. Otherwise, you are willing to pay the taxes, then no problem. I just want you to be aware that kind of consequences. All right. So anyway, so enough to that one. We already took the valued added tax for that, and let's go again to open this. The Amazon orders arrived this today. I ordered tons of Amazon product because Christmas is approaching. So far, we are still in lockdown here in the Czech Republic, and I have nowhere to shop for my godchildren, for my mga inaanak. That is covered, and I think I have more items coming. I didn't forget to get me something this time. First, the one that arrived yesterday was this one. It is a Bluetooth wireless headset. Right now, I am wearing my AirPods. As you can see, this is an Apple AirPods. But the problem with me with this one, first I will discuss the sit back. The sit back for me with these AirPods are, it's giving me the allergy. I get some rashes in the outer of my ears, both ears, if I have to wear it like over an hour. So other than that, the good one, why I like these earpads, because first, it's an easy handy for me. It's just as you can see in this video here, you can see how it looks like within its case. So it's really tiny. I just can put it in my purse, and I can go anywhere with it. Also, it helps to take off those unnecessary noises in my background. So, and also the battery is really good. I think I can use these AirPods for like 3 days straight. So I was searching hard to find the best one, and I found this wireless headset. Before I bought it, I ran down with all the reviews, the comments about this one. The name of this headset, MPOW HC5 Bluetooth headset. It's wireless and wired options. It has 22 hours of battery life, and it said it's a comfort to wear on your head. And then of course it's a Bluetooth. It's a dual mic noise cancellation, so it seems like it has the same specification from my AirPods. So we will see if that's right. It works with common applications across almost all platforms and operating systems. If you can use this as well to your desktop or to your laptop, as long as your laptop has Bluetooth. You know the problem with me with the headset, because I don't want the too tight. That's why I cannot wear headband, guys, because it gives me freaking headache, and I have no idea why my head is that so sensitive. So that's why I like this one. I love these AirPods. It's just the freaking giving me the rushes every time I use it. Even though I already sanitize it, I wash it with the alcohol, I clean it up really good, even the case, but still then I get this freaking allergy, and it's so annoying. So hopefully this one would work. I hope so. So another one I got is this books came with it yesterday. It is the business law. The one I like with books is that I really like to have hard copy. So when I look for this, because I want to study more in a business law, so I was like, why not? And then the price as well is great. So I think this is only under 10 euros, and it has under 800 pages. So, and then this one talks about the material on evidence, understanding about tort responsibility. I like tort. Contracts, sales, and secured transactions. This is contract, sales, and secured transactions. These are the categories as well with the e-commerce, the e-shop, and also negotiable instruments, and then corporations, LLCs, and partnerships, government regulations. That's where when you apply for a business, you have to deal what are the regulations of the government for you to be able to obtain the business permit. And the other one, it's the environmental and employment law, and this is about the labor law, what will be the situations and stuff like that. And then the other one, the last one, is the product liability and much more. Product liability is like, but when it comes to e-commerce, there's a lot of hustle and bustle in there. I know you have the rights and regulations for that, but what are the specific rights that you are holding in? Today, this came a tripod. Right now, I am filming with my iPhone 10, and I am planning to upgrade my phone. Otherwise, I'll just gonna use my big camera, the LSR, and I'm thinking that I need to get a tripod that is accessible and it's an easy friendly to carry. This one is ideal for mobile phone tripod, camera tripod, the Bluetooth shutter for iPhone, ISO, and Android as well. and any new mobile phone. I am looking for a longer one. So this one, I believe it has, I guess it's 170 centimeters, I guess, yes. And I am a short girl, so don't ask about my height, because I'm not gonna disclose that to you guys. So I guess, you know, control. So this, do you like angle by angle? It can go to 360 degrees. Yes, not Fahrenheit. So then you can put your LSR here, because the LSR has this tiny hole on the bottom of the LSR, I think, like mine. And then you can attach in here. Another one is this book. It's a very tiny one that caught my attention. It's the US Constitution that explained every provisions of the United States. Every law is really hard to memorize, so I need to have something, a copy for me. And I like it because, as you can see, it's only like, see, I have this one, it's just here. So it's very small, and I can put it in my purse. So because here my ways of public transportations here are tram, train, buses, and I'd like to read. Reading is one of my things, so I just want to kill time by reading something. And then when I read this book, I have to return and read it again the next month. You know, because that's what I'm saying. The Constitution is very complex. It's very long. It's very hard, I guess, you know, to memorize all this one. And just, so that's why I read him over and over. And I have few books in my Kindle. It's just I'm lazy to bring my iPad, so I rather, and also I really like to hold a hard copy book. Yeah, that's all for today, and thank you for being here with me. Please guys, share this video if you think this is helpful for you. If you think you get some beneficial knowledge about this video, please do share it to your friends, and like this video, please, and please subscribe. And thank you so much for being part of my 100 subscribers journey. I am now officially having the 100 subscribers in my YouTube channel, so thank you so much guys. Without you, that 100 won't be gonna be a 100 subscribers, because you are part of that numbers, and you made it 100 just by subscribing me. Now our goal in this Legal Matters with Yen is to reach that to 200 subscribers. I know it's quite hard, but I believe we're gonna get there. It's just a matter of time. So guys, I hope you guys have fun, and thank you so much for having here in my channel, and I wish you guys a wonderful day, and be optimistic, be positive in your life right now. Everyone has their own story, so don't worry about it. Instead, work on the best way for you think that is good for you. So be optimistic, and God bless you. Assalamualaikum to all my Islam friends, and God bless you to all in there out there, and I'm praying for the best for you and for the best for all of us. Bye. Legal Matters with Yen, sign out.